I've started recording it, so any person who is unable to join is going to get the recorded video. So if you look at, we have different panels. We have one of them, is divided into 3. So on my left hand side, you will see the menu. You see import. This is where you import videos. You see audio, text. This is where we add text. You're going to see stickers, effects, transition, captions, filters, and adjustments. Okay, so let's demonstrate using a particular sample video how we can import videos into Capcut and then start editing. So you just come to import, you can come to device, then import. So if you click on this button, it will take you to the location where you need to import either your desktop or your downloads. In my own case, I want to import the videos from my download because I've already downloaded the video. So I'll click on this particular one and then open. So I have my video here. Now, the videos will appear here, but I have to drag them to my timeline. So if I drag to my timeline, this is where I can actually do the editing. So if I want to reduce the size, I can reduce it like this. You can see that it's reducing. Then I can also increase. All right. So at the right hand corner, you have your video. This is where you can scale the video like this. You can scale your video like so. Then you have other features here. All of this will be discussed in subsequent weeks. But I'm just showing you what they are. So we also have, this is the basic, and this is where you can remove background. This is the max, and this is retouch. Retouch is you want to start editing your videos, you want to make the image, you want to enhance the image. That's when you use retouch, but we're going to talk about this subsequently. So here we have the speed of your video. If you want to increase, so let me just increase the speed of this video. I will increase it, let's say, to 100%. Let me reduce it a bit. So I'm reducing. Okay, so if I click on play, you can see my video is already playing. It's playing. So if I increase the speed, so you can see it's increasing. All right. So then we have animations. So these are the various animations. You can select any one of them. So you can see. All right. So anyone you choose, depending on what you want to achieve. Then of course we have adjustments. All right. So what I'm going to quickly do now is I'm going to add text to this video. I'm going to add text to this video. So I'll come here and I'll click text. Then I can select default text. So I have my default text here. So I'll double click on the default text, and then I can now type whatever text I want. So I'm saying hello world. So I can now come and format this text here. Formatting means I want to increase the font size like so, or I want to change the font. So I can change the font to whatever font I want, reduce the font size. Then if I want to give it color, I click on the color and then I choose the kind of color I want. So in this case, I've chosen green. So if you want to tweak the color, so you can also select from here, you know, like so. All right, so now I can also pick the preset style. So let me just choose one of them. So this is going to give it a background color, and then the color of the text itself will now become black, because if you look at this style, the background is actually yellow and the text, which is the T, is black. If I choose this, it's going to give me white. If I choose this, it's going to, whatever I choose. So if I pick this, you will notice that the color of the text itself is yellow while the background is black. So to actually master video editing, you just play around, just play with these things, just keep on play with them and see what suits you, what you actually want, and in no time you will see you keep on improving. So you can scale it from here as well. Okay, so that is on text. Now we also have stickers. We also have stickers. So I will click on the stickers, and there are various stickers, and some of these stickers you can use them in your videos. For instance, you are creating a YouTube video for someone or for yourself. We have the subscribe sticker here. We also, yes, this is a subscribe sticker. Then this is a follow sticker. So if you click on this plus sign, you have your sticker here. So I can choose to drag it and position it wherever you want. Okay, so that is sticker for you. Then we also have effects. So let's say I want this particular one, or let's say I want this one, any one of your choice. Just okay, so let me choose this. And see. Okay, so let me pick another one that will be more obvious. Okay, so did you notice the effects? Yes, can you notice the effects?
Yeah, I can.
Yes. So that's the effects. So you can pick any one of your choice, you know, to add effects to your video. These are the things that gives beauty, you know, to your videos. All those things, all those kind of videos you see that this is exactly what they do. They just come here, it's not rocket science, and they pick a particular one. So we also have transition. Transition is used when you have several video clips. For instance, I can choose another video. I can import another video. Okay, I have another one here. I decide to drag this one and drop it here. So while this is moving, so if I start playing, so you can see that there was no transition. The thing just, this other video just started, but there should be a transition from this particular video to this video. But we are not going to discuss that now because we have it as a topic in subsequent weeks to come. So we are going to talk about transition as a topic, but we are just familiarizing ourselves with the general interface of the Capcut app. Okay, so that is for transition. Then we have caption. This is also going to be discussed subsequently. We also have filters, and we have adjustment. Okay, so we have looked at speed. If we want the video to be faster, you just increase it. So if I start playing it, you can see it's faster. Then let's look at animation. So if I select, okay, let me select this. Okay, so let me just go back to the previous video, and then I select. So this, if I want to delete this video, I just select the video, and then I come to this icon. You see delete. This is delete. This is also delete, but it is to delete right. This is also delete, but it is to delete left. And of course, this is to split your video. This is to add marker. This is to freeze. This is reverse. This is to mirror, rotate, and of course resize. So this is your undo, and this is to select or to split. So now I want to delete this particular video. I can come here, click on this, and the video is gone. So I can also come here, select that. If I choose to delete it, I can delete and it is gone. I delete, select, and delete, and it is gone. So let me quickly add this again to my time frame, and then there is something I need to show you. So the way this video is currently is in landscape. So landscape is used for your normal YouTube video, standard videos, and it is usually 16:9. So this is landscape. Now if you want to do a TikTok video or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, you need to change this from 16:9 to 9 by 16. You need to change it to 9 by 16. So when you change it to 9 by 16, so you can now scale it, okay, and then you move it this way. Okay. So like this, the portrait format is actually 9 by 16, and you can use it as your TikTok video. So if you want to produce or shoot TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, you always use 9 by 16. But if it is your normal standard YouTube video, you can now change this back to 16 by 9. I believe it is clear to us. So I can click on the video, choose basic, and then reduce the scale to make it smaller. And center it. Okay, drag it this way. So you just need to play around these things so that they will become second nature. All right. So this is how we can actually add, import videos to our Capcut, and this is the timeline. All your editing is done in this timeline. All the editing will be done here in this timeline. And we are also going to talk about importing later, but we've not started editing our footage. So once you are done, then you can now export. So this is actually where we are going to stop for tonight's class.